Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a Robinhood debit card. First, open the Robinhood app and create a spending account. Eligibility, you must be at least 18 years old, have a valid US Social Security number, live in one of the supported US states, be a US citizen or visa holder. Tap the cash icon in the app and follow the steps to submit your application, including personal information and ID verification. Once approved, you'll receive a virtual debit card instantly. You can use it online or add it to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Optional, you can also request a physical card directly from the app. And that's it. That's how you get your Robinhood debit card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.